Let's begin. So when looking at the natural resources of Russia, if we're looking at what natural resources that Russia has one of the largest producers of natural gas in the world, one of the largest producers of natural gas in the world. Russia is also home to a large amount of minerals, including or other resources, including oil and coal. This is very important because since Russia has such a large portion of the natural gas, it then distributes it to the rest of the world. Also, since Russia is so geographically close to Europe, one of the major producers of oil for Europe is Russia. So whenever you see any political conflicts going on involving Russia and Europe does not like it, generally the price of gas will go up for the Europeans because the Russians can control how much gas enters into the country as a form of retaliation. So that's one thing that Russia has on Europe or in the other parts of the world. One other major natural resources that Russia has is iron, copper, all sorts of different metals. Its oil production is essential for its exports because that is the main way the economy is funded. Without that large amount of natural oil or natural gas, then Russia is not able to support its economy. That is one major bedrock of its economy. Another major natural resource that Russia has is, of course, water. The water in Russia varies all across because they are right next to the Arctic Ocean. So that water supply is very huge. Also, Russia has a large portion of lakes and rivers connected to it. So because of that, Russia has a large amount of access to water. That water is then used for the population, and there we go. Other parts of its economy include its agriculture, and other parts of its resources also include its metals. So in summary, oil and natural gas are the essential parts of Russia. It has essential metals like copper and iron that it uses for manufacturing and other services, and then its large water supply can then be distributed. Alrighty, that is it for the natural resources of Russia. I hope to see you for the next lesson.